Three stocks to watch and trade tomorrow. The first one, Sona BLW. Now, the company reported a slightly negative to an inline set of numbers. Revenues up 11%, coming at 868 crores, but it's below the estimates of about 905 crores. EBITDA as a whole coming at 234 crores versus estimates of 249, so missed there as well. While the overall margins have come in at 27% versus 29.7% on a year-on-year basis, and it's also missed estimates of by about 550 basis points. While net profit is up 13% to come at 151 crores, but the company mentioned in its conference call that it's seeing some pressure in North American off-highway tire as well as the commercial vehicle space in India, while not seeing a very strong recovery in Europe in the medium term. In the immediate term, but some recovery in the medium term is expected. Stock might react negatively on these things. The other stock is V2 Retail. This one's expected to have a positive reaction. Revenues up 58%. EBITDA has also grown by 83% in this time frame. Net profit up about 117%. The same store sales growth has come in at 25%, and its overall volumes are up 34% in this particular quarter. Stock might react positively. Finally, Amber Enterprises, another beat for this EMS company. Revenues have grown 64% in this particular quarter, coming at 2,133 crores. EBITDA margin 7.4% versus 6.1% the same time last year, beating estimates as well. While the net profit is coming at 35 crores, there was a loss report in the same time last year because of higher input costs, so not comparable on that. But the estimates were of 20 crores, so beating there as well. Watch out for these stocks. Reacted 2 positive, 1 negative as well.